channel. Thanks for tuning in today. My name is Malia. If this is your first time, I hope you hit the subscribe button and stay with me so we can have a little DIYs together and just talk to each other and what else, and that's it. Anyway, if you're a returning subscriber, welcome, definitely welcome to my channel. And so the first thing on our list would be the all famous beard oil. This is usually used to nourish the skin underneath the beard and also the skin in general. It is really good, and I have a DIY on how I made this if you want to check it out. I think you should check it out. Actually, I think you should. I also made this beard balm. Very easy to make, very functional, and a great gift to add to a guy's gift box, you know. You should definitely check that video out and make some for yourself or your boyfriend or whoever. I also added a few candles that I got from Home Goods. Really affordable. They smelled amazing, so I was like, why not? You know, you can't really go wrong with something that smells masculine and great, you know. And I also made sure that I added his favorite whipped shea butter, which I also DIY'd. I sell them also in my Etsy store. If you want to get it and you don't want to make your own, you can go check out the Etsy store and buy you one, you know what I mean? Yeah. So this here is a coconut and tea tree oil wipe. It is great to just keep in the car after you pump the gas. You just want to wipe your hands or whatever. And I also made sure I added like a bathing milk just to treat him a little bit. Sometimes, you know, guys go through so much and sometimes they just need to treat themselves. I thought it was very important for us to include a groom kit, you know, because everything there kind of looked like groomy. So we included a groom kit. Very, very simple, masculine, and minimal. Okay, it was kind of like $10, but it was pretty worth it. I added a few towels as well, because why not? They were blue, they were on sale. You can't go wrong. This budget here, we're trying to go for less than $200. Okay, that was the budget, and I think I hit it pretty good. The most expensive thing up here is this bicycle. It was $80 at Walmart. I was so fortunate to get this gift card that had a bicycle on it. I put the money on there, put a picture of the bicycle that I think he can afford with the money, and that's it. Voila. And another very important aspect of this whole DIY is shrink wrap. I got that from Michael's. It comes like this, and you can trim it to fit the basket however small or big it is. So yeah, I also added this book, which I thought was great for travel. You can write little notes inside. You can keep like your you can slip in your passport or any travel information that you need, as well as have some space to write stuff. I was like, I make bracelets. Why not throw one in there? He actually likes this bracelet a lot, and this is him wearing it. I just put one in there to surprise him, you know, and he loved it. And I thought we should add some color to this whole thing, but I didn't want anything too feminine. So gold with bold words in the frame was perfect. And what is a gift basket without candy? What is a gift basket without candy? We threw some candy in there just for the heck of it. And last but not the least is this tray, which is going to be carrying everything I've talked about. It was on sale for $11 at Home Goods. We're going to use some paper to line it just so that it gives the product a little bit of space. Comfort, I should say, and not like make it too harsh for the glass items to be hitting on the bottom. So we're just going to put that in there. And voila. You want to start with the heavy items and set them firmly in positions where you want them to be. Okay? over here I just put that in that little bag because it was getting too white and I wanted it to look more masculine and black, and you know what I mean. So I just added a little more touch to it, and just go ahead and set this up however way you want it. If you like, you could probably use tape to tape things to each other so you can have a more firm grip, because that could be useful when you're actually putting the shrink wrap around the whole thing. But I didn't have to do that. This is how the back looks right now, and this is the front. We added a few things, and from here we're gonna go ahead and just basically tweak things around and prop things up. You can use extra paper to make the things come up and not look like they're sinking down and not being seen, because you want the shrink wrap to hug the items very beautifully, like it's professionally made. Okay, so this is me just putting the shrink wrap around the item, and this is the crucial part. If you have help, get some help during this stage. If not, wing it like I did, because you can. You sure can. So yeah, so very crucial part of this project too, again, would be your blow dryer. You need a blow dryer to start from the bottom while the blow dryer is on high heat, to shrink up the whole plastic to the items. Be careful not to stay at one particular place at a time, but try to get around. Okay, get completely around, and this is how it's going to be looking. So we are done. So I will catch you on the flip side. Until next time, believe that you can, because you can, and I mean you. And thank you for tuning in. I love you.